Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Isabella here. In case you are meeting me for the very first time, and don't make it your last, okay? Click the subscribe button to join the family. We have a good time on my channel. Have you subscribed? Thank you. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do your brows. It's going to be an updated brow tutorial because I've done, like, if you've checked my previous videos, you see that I've done brow tutorial, but this one is going to be like an updated version of it for beginners. It's going to be so detailed, okay? So if you have not watched others, don't worry, this one is also okay for you and you will learn because I'm going to teach you properly. So let's start straight into it. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share to your loved ones. Let's go.
Boy, I've been watching you.
First step is you're going to be starting with our hair wax. If you have like brow trimmer, you start with it, okay? Then take a little product and use it to put your brows in place, okay? In slant manner. You see what I'm doing? You lift it in slant manner, okay? This is how it should be. We're going to do it on the other side. Please, all hands on deck. Pick your products, start doing, practice as I'm doing, you are doing. That's how you will learn. Okay, in slant manner. Now that we have achieved this, now we're going to go in with our setting powder, okay, to just set that place. A little product, dust off excess, then you set, okay. The other side. Now we are going to go in with your black pencil. If you don't have a black pencil, if you have gel liner, you can go with that. That is equally okay. So I'm using black pencil, sorry. Can you see how sharp on it is? Very pointed. This is how your pencil should be if you're using pencil. Now we're going to use this to outline the brows. If you're using your gel liner, you can equally use it to outline your brows. So let's go. Starting off from what? Your brow bones. So let's start. You are not shading, please. Just lightweight. If you are drawing, draw with lightweight. Yeah, let's go. Following the line of your brows. Did you see what I did? I did not shade. For the up part, you follow the shape of your brows. Don't add extra. I'm looking down here because of my mirror, or maybe let me take another mirror. Did you see? You are drawing with light weight. Your hand should not shade. You will get it. Okay? This is how it is. So we are going to do the other side. Starting from the brow bones too. Lightweight. Then can you guys see? Now we are going to use our black pencil to fade in this line so that they will not see it. Okay. Now that we are done outlining with our black pencil, we are going to use our brown pencil, still sharpened, to fill in, okay? We are making light strokes. It's just filling the spaces. You are not shading, please don't shade. Lightweight. We're going to do that on the other side. This is how it is. We're going to use our pencil to fade this line so they will not see where it started and where it ended. So we are going to take it inwards in our brows. Do you see? It has entered into the brows. Okay, now we're going to go ahead now to use our concealer to conceal our brows. For concealer, you can use any concealer of your choice. This is Eyebrow that I'm using. Okay, little product goes a long way. Don't go and pack product. You can use a flat round brush. You can equally use an angled brush. Anyone that you are perfect using is okay. So I'm going to use this flat round brush. We'll pick a product, start again, focus on the brow bones. The other side. We are going to use our blending brush to blend it out. Your blending brush should be round and equally fluffy, okay? This is how I'm doing it. Do you see I did not take the concealer towards the edge? No. So I'm going to blend with what is remaining and take it over there. We'll blend. We'll blend the other side. Please don't be in a hurry. Take your time when doing your brows. I used my blending brush to clean the line I made. I'm going to take my time and do it again. Yeah. Where's my concealer? Great. We'll blend. These things can happen, so if it happens, this has to correct it. I'm going to use our foundation brush to blend the edge. And that is that. So you can equally go ahead to use your spoolie and take a little concealer, can you see, to make this place more natural, right? I don't know what's wrong with my spoolie. To make it more natural. Can you see how it is? Now that I'm done blending out the concealer, I'm going to use like a fluffy brush and take a powder to set my brows, okay? Little product, don't pack. Did you see what I took? Very little. Then still dust off excess, so you don't go and pack powders. And that is just that for eyebrow tutorials. For me, I don't like concealing the top of my brows. If it's what you love doing, you can do it. But I just feel like it helps to give it that natural look if I don't conceal it. Okay, so and that is that for just the eyebrow tutorial. I hope you find this video very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your loved ones. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye.